About time. I know what you guys are thinking. It's been a few days, hasn't it? Well, driving north on M95 looking for a train, I found one. Already passed by, so I turned around. Sitting right here next to the Summer Breeze campground. They are closed for the year. Lots of snow around here, but great place if you're a rail fan. Great place to come and watch for trains. Lake Superior. Escanaba and Lake Superior Railroad. Looks like two engines. 402 and 502. Taking their time, no rush. I mean, you can probably see there's not a lot of snow on the rails itself. Really, it's just at crossings. We got a load of wood rolling south. Oh man, look at these up here. We got mega log haulers. I just seen the video the other day of some mega log haulers coming north out of Green Bay. There was like 20 of them behind the train. Apparently they hold a lot more wood than the standard cars. Got a pretty good sized train going south. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stick around, I got more videos coming. Well, that was pretty cool. Not a fast one, but a long one. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. If you're on Facebook, make sure to like and follow. We are over 10,000 likes on Facebook. You guys have a great day, eh?